Introduction to exponents. When we talk about exponent, it is actually a number that shows repeated multiplication. It tells you how many times to use the base as a factor. For example, if you have 5 to the power of 3, the 3 here is actually an exponent that tells you that you need to multiply the 5 by itself 3 times. That's why that 5 is called the base. We can also read this as 5 raised to the third power. So if this is 2, 5 raised to the second power. If this is 4, 5 raised to the fourth power. But every time we have 3 as a word or as an exponent, we can actually say cubed. And if it's a 2, we can say squared with a D, okay? Don't forget that. 5 squared, 5 cubed. But of course, the meaning would still be the same. It means that 5 should be multiplied by itself 3 times. So to simplify this or evaluate, we can expand 5 cubed. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Let's try another example. This is 3 raised to the power of 4. Or you can just say 3 to the power of 4. That means you need to multiply 3 by itself 4 times. Then we multiply 3 times 3, that's 9. Then 9 times 3 is 27. And finally, 27 times 3 is 81. The common mistake of some other students is they multiply 3 and 4. So take note, the 3 and the 4 are on different levels. So you will know that 4 is an exponent because it would probably be on the upper portion in the given in the other number given. For example, the 3. So please be careful. 3 times 4 is not the same as 3 to the power of 4 because 3 to the power of 4 is 81 while 3 times 4 is 12. This time, what if you're just given with a statement? What is 2 raised to the fifth power? That means that 2 has an exponent of 5. That means when we expand it, we're multiplying 2 by itself 5 times. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And 16 times 2 is 32. How about if the exponent is 0? So the rule is any number raised to 0 is always 1. No matter what number that is, as long as the number is raised to 0. What is 7 cubed? So this is what I'm saying a while ago. That means the exponent is a 3. Multiplying 7 by itself 3 times will give you 343. Okay, so our next lesson would be about order of operations. So watch the next video.